Wow! Forest-rich home with plenty of room to entertain for the holidays, on a quiet and peaceful street. Watch out, you'll fall in love with this spacious 2/2/2 home with 1,692 living square feet. This floor plan allows you to enjoy family and friends with a living area, formal dining area, breakfast nook and family room. There is also a generously sized Four Seasons porch where you can sip on your favorite beverage and enjoy the Florida weather. Rest to your heart's content with a master bedroom ensuite with tub/shower combo plus one additional guest bedroom. Inside laundry for your convenience, washer and dryer included and fenced backyard for your furry friends. This home retains the value of peaceful living while being conveniently located to shops, 1 mile from Publix, medical centers, restaurants, schools, the Beverly Hills Community Park, Skate Court, Central Ridge Library, and Beverly Hills Recreation Association. 75 minutes away from Orlando/Tampa. Many in and out of Florida have found this hidden gem called Citrus County. Here you will encounter environmentally protected regions and animals. A huge variety of flora and fauna for those craving the outdoors. Plus, infinite outdoor recreational options such as boating, fishing, scalloping, swimming with manatees, kayaking, canoeing, snorkeling, walking, cycling, camping, and much more. Don't miss out, call today.